Hola amigos, Nerdy here. In today's video, I will show you how to get Windows 11 right now. We don't have to wait until the end of the year or next year. Microsoft has made the Insider build available, and to be able to get it, you need to have to be a Windows Insider. But the good news, anyone can be a Windows Insider. Now I will show you how to be an insider and install Windows 11. Okay, let's get started. Search for Windows Insider, then open this page. Now click on the button Get Started. This opens another screen. Here now you can choose your Microsoft account. From filling up to the form and being able to download it, it takes about 24 hours. Now inside the Insider program, you will see this. You have three different options. Click and select Dev channel. Click back. Now click on update and check for updates. Now it will download and install. Now after installing, click restart. Now you have the all new Windows 11. Enjoy. Adios amigos.